Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Roblox is up to date and that Blackout server shows stable performance. This avoids desync when requesting Volte features. Next, sign into the account that owns any required game passes or developer access. Once done, open Blackout's in-game settings and enable voice chat and any mobile permissions. You need these toggles enabled before proceeding because Volte hooks into the game's audio pipeline, and skipping this will block later steps. You now navigate to Blackout's Volte or communication section. If it's hidden, use the developer console to reveal it. Enter the required token or link your mobile account when prompted, and make sure you type credentials precisely so the handshake succeeds. Then choose a Volte profile and assign it to your current loadout. This tells the server to route your voice via the low-latency channel. Make sure to confirm prompts. Failure to accept terms will prevent activation. You finish by testing voice in a quick match to confirm clarity and latency. Speak and listen while adjusting mic gain and network buffer for balance. If Volte doesn't activate, log out and restart the client. Re-establishing the session often resolves authentication hiccups. Make sure your carrier actually supports Volte and that your firewall or router isn't blocking required ports. If problems persist, switch to a different network or reset NAT type to open. This often restores the low latency link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.